Welcome to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to go in great detail and talk about a very important element that a lot of young entrepreneurs are missing when they're starting dropshipping on Shopify. If you don't have an account on Shopify, click in the description below on the link and get it for 90 days. The thing that you need to consider and the thing that you need to know is very important, that there's two elements of dropshipping. One is a low ticket dropshipping and the other is a high ticket dropshipping. Now there is a significant difference between both of them. Low ticket dropshipping is where you get cheap products and obviously products that do not add a lot of value to an individual's inventory. And when you have a high ticket dropshipping, those are products which are very expensive and luxurious products that add a lot of value. Now think about it. If you're starting dropshipping, you want to make sure that you actually make a lot of profit, and obviously the margins that you get are massive. And the way to get those margins are if you select products that are luxurious products that people want instead of what people need. And when you market and promote those products in a particular way to a niche that wants those particular products, you would be able to make a lot of profit. This is very similar to the normal way people are buying. And psychologically speaking, if you enter a store and you look at a Versace or a Gucci bag, which is worth thousands of dollars, one bag will cover the actual cost. But at the same time, if you head over and go and check out a low-end brand, you'll be able to see the similar product but at a very relatively lower price. The higher price gives a psychological impact onto a buyer that this is a product which is luxurious and rare to get. And that is the reason why individuals tend to buy that particular product. Now, as the world is turning to drop shipping, as we're moving on to the internet and people are buying online, you need to create a store that gives you that kind of essence, where you add products which are luxurious and people understand that buying it at a higher price means a higher quality and obviously rarity. And that is where high ticket dropshipping comes. The other thing which I need to mention over here, which a lot of young entrepreneurs and early dropshippers, sellers may make a mistake in, is they go and buy products from different countries such as Malaysia, India, and even China. These are low-end tier countries, meaning if there's a product that has been created and you buy that product in a European country or in a US country or in Australia or Europe, that is going to have a significant higher quality. But if you find the same product in a lower tier country such as India, China, or Malaysia, you're going to get a quality that is going to be significantly lower than you would get in a European country. And that is the reason why you gotta buy local. You gotta source products from the local warehouses instead of going overseas and getting it from China. Remember, guys, at the end of the day, when a customer comes to your shop and buys a product from you, they are buying an experience. They are buying a quality. And obviously, you need to meet that quality. If your shop doesn't meet that quality, then they will not be returning customers. And that is a major mistake which a lot of individuals tend to make. So always focus on getting a first tier country that can give you the quality that you need. Buy it from Australia, buy it from the UK, buy it from France, buy it from the US, buy it from Canada, buy it from a country where the quality is met at the same level as in the local market. But make sure that you get a bargain. And obviously you just can't get a bargain that easily. You gotta search, you gotta find, you gotta source it. And that is where your competitive advantage comes. And that is where my video comes, because I am giving an opportunity to individuals to understand the dynamics and the strategy that they need to have to ensure that they are able to find those products that can give them value, that can increase their profit margins and give them the financial freedom that they've always been dreaming about. The second thing that you have to keep in mind is, how does this system actually work? You connect your website to the dropshipper seller. Then obviously once you've done that, the consumer places an order on your online store and the online store passes the order to the dropshipper seller. And then the supplier ships the order directly to the customer. Now this is something that you have to keep in mind, and a mistake that a lot of individuals do is that they're unable to create a landing page that reflects the quality that their supplier are actually giving the product at. So you gotta make sure that whatever product that you actually select, your landing page reflects the quality and rarity of that particular item. And obviously once an individual lands on your landing page, they can sense at the essence of the quality that they would be getting once the product is shipped to them. And you gotta make sure the other thing that you do, that you market yourself in the right manner. If you're looking at a product that is a high-end product which is very expensive, such as a medical breakthrough massage chair which is worth thousands of dollars, Now, instead of marketing it to an individual that is doing a 9 to 5, market it towards someone that is an entrepreneur. Market it towards an individual that has a high-end job such as a CEO. Market it towards individuals that are at the high end. Anyone that is between the age of 18 to 25 will not be able to afford these particular massage chairs, but an individual that is 35 plus has the financial means to buy something of this nature. So your target audience is going to be individuals between the age of 35 to 45. Even you can go above to 55 to 65. Individuals that have the money to buy these particular products. This could be for females or for males, so that gender doesn't matter, but the age range always has a high impact. The other thing you have to keep in mind that when you set up a Shopify account, you gotta make sure that you target it in the right location. Instead of targeting individuals in low and third tier countries, focus on individuals on the first tier countries, people who have that kind of money available to spend to ensure that they can get this luxury. The mistakes that young entrepreneurs and early dropshipper businesses tend to make is that they cannot understand the different strategies that they need to implement. There are 3 stages that you have to keep in mind. The first stage is developing a product, researching a product, getting a product right, and once you have done that, you have to focus on the research of to who the audience is going to be for that particular product. And the third is actually developing a landing page that ensures that the quality of the product is met with the aesthetic sense that you need to have to ensure that whenever they come to your landing page, they understand that you actually mean business. But before you do any of that, you have to head over to the description below and click on the link given below, and you'll be able to get Shopify for 90 days. The thing and the tip that I'm going to share with you right now is very crucial. Instead of investing heavily on Shopifying and getting expensive themes, always start off with the basic and develop your basic and develop your dropshipping business in stages. The first stage is check out the waters. The second stage is put a couple of items over there and see the response. There is analytics that's available on Shopify that will give you a complete breakdown of where your audience is coming from, what are they buying and how much are they buying it for. And gradually over a period of time, you'll be able to develop and focus yourself onto products that are definitely selling, and the products that are not selling, you can always take them out. The main element over here, guys, is that you gotta try it out. If you sit at home and do nothing, you won't be able to make those millions and get the financial freedom that you've always been dreaming about. There are hundreds and thousands of individuals right now in the industry that are doing the exact same thing, but the difference between you and them is that you are researching before jumping into the water. You're understanding the depth of the water, you're understanding the elements that you need to know, and you're developing a strategy that is effective and scalable at the same time. And in watching these videos, you're ensuring that you have the proper knowledge by which you can actually develop a dropshipping business that can be successful. There are hundreds of individuals out there that start a dropshipping business, but they can't make it big because they don't understand the strategy that they need to have. But once you understand what you need to do and how you need to do it, and if you follow the steps that I'm talking about one by one, you'll be able to develop a dropshipping business that is not only scalable but also successful. And combining all those elements together, you'll be able to find products that are truly selling and are able to create huge profit margins for you and give you the financial freedom that you've always been dreaming about. And once you start doing that, all you need to do is sit back, relax, and see the money flow in. So if you haven't got a Shopify store, click in the description below on the link and get your Shopify. If you have any questions whatsoever, do let me know in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to help you out, to support you, assist you, and guide you. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and family on your social media, on your Facebook, on your WhatsApp, on your Instagram, and on your Twitter, so more people can find the difference between the low ticket and high ticket dropshipping items that are available, and they also can make a profit just like you. So stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.